Product design is an essential part of developing and marketing a product. This rule applies to all products, whether they be the newest version of Apple's MacBook Pro or 3D printers in healthcare industry. This week we'll focus on the effects of design in medicine through the use of 3D printers.
3D printers have become popular throughout the past decade in medicine. A regular 3D printer can be used to print out a small object such as a toy train, but a medical 3D printer can be used to print real functioning organs that can be transplanted in patients. In order to do this, doctors must form a blueprint of the organ needed specific to the patient. The printer will follow the biological process of tissue growth and form the organ. Vascular trees are incorporated to make sure that the organ is viable. Although this seems like a complicated process, Rebecca New stated in her article, 3D Printing, a Revolutionary Advance for the Field of Urology, that it is worth doing. She evaluated the pros and cons of 3D printing in urology. In the United States, 93,000 patients are waiting on a kidney transplant. She found that the cost of buying and using a 3D printer is lower than the cost of keeping a patient on dialysis or support while they wait for a kidney transplant. These transplants are effective because they match the patient's internal organs, so there's a lower chance of organ rejection. Also, medical students can train using these organs. The underground black market for organs could also be shut down with the use of 3D printers. The design of these printers is vital to their success because they have to be able to print a variety of organs and tissues. Thus, these printers tend to be bulky and expensive.
Leventhal explains that 3D printers provide the freedom to produce custom-made medical products and equipment. 3D printing has been greatly advantageous due to its ability to customize prosthetics and implants that provide great value for both patients and physicians. Furthermore, 3D printing has promising features such as producing made-to-order parts for use in operating rooms. Custom-made implants, fixtures, and surgical tools can have a positive impact in terms of time required for surgery, patient recovery, and the success of the surgery or implants. In addition to its fascinating speed to produce, other qualities such as the resolution, accuracy, reliability, and repeatability of 3D printing technologies are also improving. Thanks to the advancing features, crucial applications of 3D printers in healthcare have taken place, which include printing skin, studying cancer, patching a broken heart, and as before mentioned, replacement of organs.
This video shows how a boxy prototype could change the way burns are treated, from current skin grafting methods to a process that is believed to be a faster, cheaper, and easier way on the patient. It is promised to be just like the real thing, functional human skin. At the University of Toronto, they have been able to mimic how your skin looks.
To begin the process of creating new human skin on the printer, healthy skin cells are first harvested from the burnt patient, then analyzed and multiplied in the lab. During the process, a cellular pastry emerges and floats through the printer to gather around a rotating drum. The strips are then collected and cultured.
We hope that this video shows you how design is important in the field of medicine.